This style of YouTube thumbnails is going viral and getting millions of views. So here's how to make it in Photoshop. First, we add the character, which is PewDiePie in this case. We mask out the background, and then we fix some imperfections using the spot healing brush. And then we start adding the background pictures. In this case, we have added 6 pictures to make it symmetrical, 3 on each side. You crop them out so they do not overlap on top of each other. And then we add the torn paper effect or the ripped paper effect. Here I have chosen to do it this way, but you can do it however you want to do it. So to get this effect, you start with a picture of a piece of paper, and then you go to the lasso tool and you start cropping. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be a line that has some curves to it. And we're gonna match the pictures to the line we have. So it doesn't have to be perfect at all. And then, like we said, we add a drop shadow to it. We put it at the place where we want to put it. And that's how you end up with a torn paper effect. Now to the colors. Here are the colors I have chosen. And this is how to do it. I have left one undone. So again, we pick the lasso tool and start selecting the side that we want to color. And it must be on top of the background and the character. Then we go here, hue and saturation. We press on colorize. We add a lot of saturation and some lightness depending on the pictures you have, and you choose the color you want. Here we have chosen orange, and then I decided to make it purple again, but just to show you how it is done. Now I'm gonna show you how you can delete the effect from the character itself and leave it only on the background. I've decided to organize my layers and put everything together in a group. Here we have the group named Pewds, which we have the character in there. We go and select the pixels, and we go back to the layer that we have added hue and saturation, and press here on the little square, which is the layer mask tool, and then we pick black to delete and white to add more. Here in this case we have chosen black so we can delete the effect. So to add the final detail, we press on Alt, Control, Shift and E to group everything into one layer. And then we go to camera filter, and here it's not exact science, so we just play with it and see what works. Here I added some exposure, some sharpening, some texture, and a bit of vibrance and saturation. And here we have the final result. This is how it turned out. And by the way, if you're looking for custom thumbnails for your own videos, I actually design thumbnails myself. You can check out my portfolio in the description below. And if you like what you see, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help you make your videos stand out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'm gonna be making more videos like these, making tutorials on certain thumbnails. So you can request a video in the comments below. See you on the next one.